Zakir Naik quotes and saying on Allah, life, faith. Do not bite one another. Purpose of life is to worship Allah and attain Jannah. Doing Dawah of Islam to non-Muslims is responsibility of every Muslim. In Islam, forcing anyone to accept Islam is prohibited. If exposure of body is modernism, then animals are more modern than humans. Miswak is purifying the mouth and pleasing to the Lord. If women wear revealing clothes, they have more chances of getting raped. Al-Quran is not a book of science, but a book of signs. No Muslim is a Muslim if he does not believe in Jesus Christ, peace be upon him. The concept of God espoused by a religion cannot be judged by merely observing the practice of its followers. Whoever is deprived of gentleness, he is deprived of goodness. If you want to learn study about Islam, go study Islam, don't study the Muslim. Islam is perfect. Muslim are not. To those who disbelieve in Quran shall be the losers in the hereafter.